Hello, I'm getting ready to make twice baked potatoes, and I've washed them, and then I took a knife and poked a bunch of holes all over my potatoes. And I put them on my plate. You can do them in the microwave or in the oven. If you're doing them in the microwave, this is how I do it. I fan them around like this, and then as they're cooking, I'll flip them or even flip them this way until they're tender. Okay, I want to show you my potatoes are nice and baked, and now I'm going to get ready to start tear off the top, cut up a slit right here, and take out the filling and put them in another bowl, and then add some ingredients and stuff them back and put them in a casserole dish and put them back in the oven. Here we go. Okay, I want to show you. These are still very hot. I would normally let them cool, but I just got a call. They're going to be here and they're going to be hungry. So I just kind of I cut around the edge and I take off this top part, and it's hot. So I would let it cool. If you have time, let it cool. And let's see. Just like that. Just kind of make an opening. And then I'm going to scoop out into my bowl to start scooping. Oh, it's really hot to hold on to. See better right here. I'm just going to take out as much as I can without tearing through. Ooh, boy, is it hot. So really let it cool, otherwise you will burn yourself. It's very hot. So just go through and do all of your potatoes like this. Okay, I got all my insides of my potatoes. You can see they're all in a casserole dish. The oven's at 350, heating up. And I'm going to start adding butter. I always make them different. Sometimes I only make 4, so I just kind of eyeball it. So there's 6 potatoes. That's about a 1/4 cup, maybe a little bit more. We'll just see. I just let this. I'm doing it in this dish, and usually I would use my electric mixer, but it'll go flying in this bowl. So I'm kind of doing it by hand. And I just add what I want to add. Sour cream, I have, where's the lid to it? I have the Tofutti sour cream, the one in the blue, it's non-hydrogenated. And then I have some chopped green onion, about 4 of them for this many, for 6 potatoes. So I'll continue mixing that. I have some white pepper. I'm going to put probably about a 1/8 of a teaspoon of white pepper. Then I'm going to add some salt, about another 1/8 of a teaspoon, and a little bit of paprika, and I'll add it on the top, whatever I feel like. You can add chives to this. The green onions. Okay. I will add just a couple scoops. Don't tell my kids I put this in. I'm not going to say anything. Usually I separate it out. I'll just add it because my husband likes this in it. So don't say nothing. I don't think they'll notice. Okay. Then, I haven't bought these in a long time. These are bacons. They're a vegetarian soy product, and I'm just adding a few sprinkles. Okay. Now you just take and start filling your potatoes back up with your filling. What I do is I go through and fill them all, just level, and then I go back and fill them the rest of the way. These are very fast and easy, and it looks like you took a long time to make these. I'll put them in the oven at 350 until they get golden brown on top. They'll get crispy, kind of a little bit golden brown. You'll be able to see they turn out real nice. Now, how is that for a birthday dinner? So there are some stuffed twice baked potatoes, and I put a little bit of paprika, throw them in the oven, let them brown. Okay, I want to show you, they just came out of the oven, they're golden brown and they are ready to eat. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.